Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I think one of the merch items that gets overlooked a lot in League of Legends is things from the item shop, and other than Rabadon's Death Cap and a few others, Infinity Edge definitely has to be one of the most recognisable objects that you can buy, so I created one that you can make yourself. Here's a list of everything you'll need. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is linked in the description and is for free from my DeviantArt. Once you have all of the pieces, make sure to cut them out carefully following the key in the top left corner. The first thing you need to do is to begin sewing the rune symbols onto the black strips using a backstitch or a running stitch. Use a reference image to help you with the placement and make sure that they're placed the correct way around. Repeat this for the second black strip. Then, on the side with no tracing, join the black strip to the grey sword blade, making sure it's centred as possible. Repeat this for the second side so it aligns with the other black strip. Place both grey blade pieces together with the tracing showing, leaving the bottom straight edge open, and join them together. Take the smaller black handle accents and sew them onto the yellow crescent pieces onto the side with no tracing visible. Repeat this for the second side. Place two bottom handle pieces with the tracing facing up and join them together, leaving the top straight edge open. Once done, join the straight edge to the centre of the two middle rectangle handle pieces so it opens in the centre, then around the sides, leaving the top straight edge open again. Then take the crescent piece and join it to the centre of the rectangle piece so it opens in the middle again, and begin sewing around the sides, but leave enough space at the top and the centre so that the blade can be joined. Sew on one side of the blade and leave the other side open. Then flip the blade the right way up and stuff it. Conceal the open end with an invisible stitch. Take one of the small yellow pentagons and join it to the black pentagon in the centre. Repeat for the second two pieces. Then join this to the pentagon with the seam on the side with no tracing around the black edges, using the same colour thread to blend. Repeat with the remaining pieces on another piece with seam. Take one side with the pentagon on it and one with nothing on it and place them with the tracing on the outside and begin sewing them together. Once you're almost at the end, flip it the right way up and conceal the open end with an invisible stitch. Repeat this with the last two pieces. Then use an invisible stitch to join these to the centre of the handle on each side. And that is how you make an infinity edge. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!